A, B. Longgar lus saja. Masuk aja, cuba kunci. Cocok habis, masuk habis.
Hi guys, we are set up the antenna. We have the crank mast. Crank mast is approximately 45 feet from the ground. So we're gonna set up here. We'll be facing to in front of our main shack. Radio shack was in front there, so it won't be long. Previously was set up on the in front there, a distance of 150 meters. So we try to change the strategy, so you put up at the closer to our radio shack. I think probably about 50 meters from the radio shack. So now we are setting up the hex beam Tribander, 20, 15 and 10 meters. So we have our friend here. Now we see at Hotel Alpha Zulu Hasli.
Yo.
So we have now whiskey 5 Julia whiskey.
And I am SWL.
Okay. This one will be Alex. I whiskey Vita Yaki. So we're gonna set up this hex beam. So it takes a while to fix this. So I will update again and see you again. Now whiskey Zulu Kilo 73.